If you are looking for luxury, Tameron Gulf Coast has it. Brand new to our inventory, we have this 2017 Jaguar F-PACE 20D Prestige SUV. On the exterior, we have rain-sensing wipers, power and heated door mirrors, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, power sliding panoramic roof, remote start, and push-to-start technology. The 10-inch touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 Jaguar F-PACE has less than 65,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Call Tameron Gulf Coast at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.